Welcome everyone. Today we dive into AWS CLI and IAM Server Certificates. Think of AWS CLI as your magic wand for managing AWS services. No clicking, just typing. IAM Server Certificates. They ensure secure communication, like a secret handshake between servers. Managing them via CLI is like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car, fast and efficient. So let's buckle up and explore how IAM and certificates keep our cloud secure. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM is like the bouncer at a VIP club. It decides who gets in and what they can do. It controls access to AWS resources, ensuring only authorized users make changes. With policies and roles, IAM keeps security tight, preventing unwanted guests from messing with your cloud setup. So if you want a secure AWS environment, IAM is your best friend. Server certificates are like secret codes that ensure safe conversations between servers. Without them, it's like shouting your passwords across a crowded room. Risky. AWS IAM helps manage these certificates, ensuring encrypted communication. Keeping them updated and secure is crucial, or hackers might crash the party. So let's learn how to handle them like pros. Why use AWS CLI? Well, imagine manually managing certificates. It's like sorting 1,000 emails one by one. CLI automates tasks, reducing errors and saving time. Need to update multiple certificates? CLI does it in seconds. Plus, it gives you full control over IAM certificates, making security management a breeze. So let's embrace the power of automation. Before jumping in, let's check our toolkit. First, install and configure AWS CLI. It's your command center. Next, ensure IAM permissions are set, or AWS will give you the cold shoulder. Have your certificate files ready, because managing certificates without them is like baking without ingredients. Lastly, a little CLI knowledge goes a long way. Don't worry, we'll cover that. Want to see all your IAM server certificates? Just run AWS IAM list server certificates. It's like checking your fridge before grocery shopping. This command lists all certificates, showing details like ID and expiration. Keeping track of them ensures you don't end up with expired certificates causing security issues. So let's list and manage them smartly. Uploading a new certificate. Easy. Use AWS IAM Upload Server Certificate and provide the necessary files. Think of it like uploading a profile picture, except this one secures your AWS environment. Make sure IAM permissions allow uploads, or AWS will block you like a strict security guard. Once uploaded, verify it using the list command. Simple, right? Updating certificates is like renewing your passport. You need fresh details. Use AWS IAM Update Server Certificate and provide the new certificate info. IAM permissions must allow updates, or AWS will say access denied. Once updated, verify the changes using the list command. Keeping certificates fresh ensures secure communication, so don't let them expire. Deleting a certificate. It's like throwing away an old key. Make sure you don't need it first. Use AWS IAM Delete Server Certificate and specify the certificate name. Double check that no active services rely on it, or you might break something important. Once deleted, verify using the list command. Clean and secure management is key. Managing IAM policies for server certificates isn't just about ticking security boxes. It's about ensuring only the right people have access, because no one wants unnecessary hands on important credentials. Keep permissions tight, track usage through logs, and review policies regularly. Think of it as spring cleaning for your IAM setup, but one that happens more than once a year. Expired certificates are like expired milk, best avoided unless you enjoy trouble. Keep an eye on expiration dates, set up reminders, and use AWS Certificate Manager to make renewals easier. And always test before deploying, because surprises are fun at birthdays, not in production. Troubleshooting IAM server certificate issues can feel like solving a mystery, except no detective hat required. First, check IAM policies, then ensure the certificates are in the right format with the right permissions. Domain mismatches can be sneaky, so verify those too. And finally, error logs. They're like breadcrumbs leading you to the problem. Security isn't just a checkbox, it's a mindset. Use strong encryption, store certificates securely, and rotate them to keep things fresh. Also, keep an eye on their usage, because odd activity might just mean someone's poking where they shouldn't. Automation makes life easier, unless it's badly scripted. AWS CLI lets you manage certificates efficiently, and scheduling renewals helps prevent last-minute panic. Integrate with CI/CD for seamless operations, but always handle errors properly, because the last thing you want is an automation gone rogue. IAM server certificates don't work in isolation, they thrive in integration. Use them for API gateway, EC2 encryption, and load balancers to ensure secure connections. When certificates are properly integrated, authentication and communication become seamless and security stays strong. Compliance is like a rulebook, ignore it, and things can get messy. Stick to industry standards, track everything with audits, and document every move. Good governance keeps IAM certificate management from becoming a guessing game. In a nutshell, AWS CLI simplifies IAM certificate management. With automation, compliance, and seamless integrations, you can keep certificates secure without extra headaches. Think of it as driving a well-maintained car, smooth, efficient, and no surprise breakdowns. Managing IAM server certificates is an ongoing process. It's not a set and forget deal. Keep policies updated, automate smartly, and always prioritize security. With regular monitoring and troubleshooting, your IAM certificate management will be smooth and stress-free. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.